Hello everyone, hope everybody are doing great at your place. Your family members, your neighbors, your relatives, friends, everybody are safe at your home. So now I just wanted to spell out few important things which may be related for your NEET preparation. And first of all, I just wanted to spell out few important things how you have to utilize these 20 days of time, that is your target is there. What is your target? That you have to write your NEET exam and you have to crack that NEET exam and you have to take up the medicine. So most of you have the ambition from the childhood days, I have to become a doctor. But now it is easy for you provided how well you are preparing yourself. More than working hard, you need to look it after how smartly you have to work out to crack the NEET. So being a biology teacher, I'm going to just highlight few things in case of biology. Apart from that one, I'm also going to spell out few important things that this is the time where the students come in case of stress. And this is the time where so many distractions will occur. And this is the time where our mind will lingering to the other things. In the sense like, if I don't get into the medicine, what would be my second option? So if I don't get into the medicine, what will happen to my life? These are the questions will linger in your mind. So I am over here to spell out few things which may be relaxing your mind. At the same time, it will help you to target to achieve your goal first of all. So now let me tell you this 20 days how you have to use. First and foremost thing the student used to do the mistake over here is in the last moment, in the neck of the moment, whatever they just neglected or refused to study earlier, they start preparing that one. Please don't do that one. Whatever earlier till today you have done your best, the same you revise again and again, so that whatever you have already studied, you will be 100% in that. If anything, if you go new, now what happened? It will now collapse your mind. So whatever you have already prepared well, that may also interfere with this one, may leads into the complete confusion. That may lead into, that is overall all the topic you may get confused. That is the reason these 20 days, whatever you have already prepared, the same you are going to, that is revise it again and again. And mostly you would have completed revising all the chapters. So what you do, you just check it out the previous year's NEET question papers. So particularly NEET has been initiated in the year 2016. Prior to that we had AIPMT, AIMS and all those things were there. So NEET has been initiated in 2016 and that AIPMT has been considered as, that is part 1 of NEET, that is phase 1 of NEET. Then in 2016 we also had phase 2 of NEET. That means 2016 itself 2 sample papers you have. 2017 one more sample paper, 18 and 19. So you have 5 solid sample papers with you. What you do, even though you would have already came across to the paper, no issues. What you do, once you complete all the chapters, just look at that those previous year's papers. See to it that whatever we have prepared, whether everything it is now summifying in this question paper or not. Now you have to look it up whether I am able to answer those questions which is being asked in the previous question paper. If I am able to answer, okay, how far I have understood the concept and I am applying my mind in this question paper to pick out the perfect answer. I have meant over here perfect answer. Why? Because there may be 4 options, out of which 2 options may be irrelevant, that we know that okay, it is irrelevant, we have to, that is we have to eliminate those 2 options. The rest 2 options will be close enough, there only the confusions will occur. So now you have to choose the perfect answer for that question, that is more important. So now you have to look it up, whatever the knowledge I have, whatever the revision I did. So whether is it useful for my particular question paper to solve it. So you have to look it up. If you are unable to do, then you have to think in a different manner. Whether I didn't study that much, or the concept which I understood it is not matching up for that question paper which the questions which they have asked, or I have not read this concept at all. It is not at all there in my books. That is whatever the NCERT I have, whatever the state board books I have. So whatever I read, that concept is not at all there in my books. Something they have asked irrelevantly, or something which has come out of my syllabus. You have to look it up. Or whether I have studied earlier, but I was unable to apply my mind in this question paper. So you have to just question yourself. That is, what is my lacuna? What is my weakness? Where I go behind? How I have to correct it? So now, for example, you have already prepared well, and now the question have come, but you are unable to answer that question. You are unable to answer that question. So now it is due to whatever the preparation you have done, it is just for the namesake you have done. You have not completely thorough the concept. Either you have mugged it up, or for the namesake you have just went through those particular chapters. Second thing, you have not read that concept in your book. That concept is something what? That is a critical thinking. It may be there as one particular line, but they have asked in a twisted way. If it is like that, you have to go through various type of questions like this, so that you will come across the same or same type of question. In case of your NEET, it will be easy for you to tackle it up. Or sometime, if that question, okay, it is not at all there in your book, and that particular term somewhere you have seen, but that concept and all you are not familiar, then you have to look it up. Which source I have to read, which source I have to use for preparing these type of question. So like that, if you segregate yourself, if you segregate your questions in a different manners, if you make or if you commit mistake, then it will be easy for you to crack the NEET. Okay. So for example, in biology, if you have 90 questions, I'm damn sure that more than 70% of that questions will come directly from your book. The NCERT, the state board, if you prepare, directly it will come from your book. The other thing, I didn't mean that it will not come from your book. It will come from your book, but they may ask in a twisted manner. So you need to have a mindset that if that type of question comes, how I have to tackle it up. Okay, so in this 20 days, try to use as much as possible in revising your chapters, at the same time working out with different question paper related to the NEET. That is more important. So this is about the NEET preparation in this 20 days, what you have to do it up. And one more, a small, we can say that it is small suggestion for you people. For example, in case of biology, if you take morphology of flowering plants, where there are various examples will come. Same thing when you take up the other one, tissue chapter, that is simple epithelium, compound epithelium, in that various types are there. For that different positions particularly, so like blood vessels, there some type of epithelial tissue will be available. In case of nephrons, some type of epithelial tissue will be available. So what is the type of epithelial tissue? Like a flow chart you just prepare. Similarly, when you take it up the other one, that is in case of phytohormones, prepare a flow chart. Same thing, photoperiodism, those examples will come. Prepare the flow chart. And if possible, wherever you sleep, quite opposite to, quite opposite to that, just place a curtain or screen or something. Whatever the flow chart which you have prepared, just pin it over there. So before you sleep, when you look it up every day, those concepts and all those things, you will not forget. Those examples you will not forget in your lifetime. Same thing you can use it for your chemistry, that is whatever the chemical equations are there. In physics, whatever the formulae are there. So you can use this technique so that it will be easy for you. You will not forget those concepts. And next one. So this is the crucial time where students will get under the pressure of the parents, of the teachers, as well as the neighbors in particular. So because of that, what happened? They'll get some kind of stress. Due to the stress, they may feel like whatever already they have prepared, everything it is aligning in a manner of forgetfulness. Actually, don't worry about that one. Forget about your own surroundings, whomsoever. Okay, so whomsoever are pressurizing, forget them. Just make yourself go in a same pace how you were being earlier. Like prepare yourself how you were preparing earlier. Don't come under stress or depression because whatever you have studied already, once if you come under stress or depression, you will forget everything. So that is the reason. So go your, achieve your target only when if you just leave out whatever your surrounding says. You just focus your target, aim the goal, achieve it. That is more important. Okay, so this is what I just wanted to tell you as a brief manner. So again and again I'm telling, once when you take a small seed is there, that seed once if you sow, okay, so it will not be seen to the public, it will not be seen to anyone else, but it will take some time. It has to work a lot and it has to put on so much of hard work to pierce the land, to pierce the soil, to come out and to explore it to the people. Same thing our life is also. How much hard work you put on here, tomorrow everybody will, tomorrow everybody will get proud of you. So that is the reason, just keep your 100% interest, at the same time 100% your target in your mind. I'm damn sure that you'll be achieving your goal, whatever you have been set forward. And one more thing I just wanted to tell you here. So just see that there is a egg. There is a egg. Once if you knock the egg from outside, it will break, life has gone. Same thing, there is an egg, from inside it knocks, a life origin. That is a chick comes out. Same thing, someone knock your head, and if they impart study, prepare for your need, and you have to achieve the goal and all those things, you will not get an intention to achieve your goal. See to it that the fullest interest should come from yourself. Once it comes from yourself, I'm damn sure that you'll be achieving your goal and everybody will be proud of you. Thank you. Have a nice day. Wish you all the best for your NEET preparation and wish you all the best for your NEET exam, and advance congratulations for everybody to achieving your goal and the target. Thank you.